How to fix Snapchat camera access. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can enable camera access on Snapchat and fix the issue if you're not seeing the permission pop up. So when you open Snapchat, you might see a pop-up saying that Snapchat can't access the camera, or you might get an unable to access camera error. Let's fix that. First, go ahead and close the Snapchat and open your phone's settings. If you're using iPhone, you need to go to General and then go to iPhone Storage, find Snapchat over there. And if you're on Android, go ahead, tap on Apps. From here, search for Snapchat application. Then tap on Permissions. And if you see the options for camera and microphone, go ahead and enable them. This might definitely solve the problem. However, if camera and microphone aren't listed as options, you can try restarting your phone. To restart, quickly press the volume up button and the volume down button and the power button in iPhone. And on Android, simply press the power button and the volume down button. Tap on restart and you'll be done. After your phone restarts, unlock it and open the Snapchat application on your device. You should now see a pop-up asking if you want to allow Snapchat access to your camera. Tap on allow and that should definitely help you fix the problem. If it still does not work, try resetting your phone settings and you'll be able to fix it. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.